We have created this login form in the previous episode. In today's episode 8, we are going to discuss how to store the data into the sessions. Now, what exactly are the sessions? So, for example, if you are a user, okay, you logged into this website. For example, this is a Codzify website, or this is a Amazon website, or this is a Facebook website. You logged into this website, and after logging in, you will be redirected to the home page, right, where you see all the posts, all the images, all the videos, all the reels, right? After login, you see all the details of your profile, right, and all the friends who are connected with you. After spending some time to this app, you turn off the app and go to your normal routine. After 3 hours or after 6 hours, whenever you open this app again, these apps, Facebook or any other app, do not ask you to enter the login information again, right? That information is stored somewhere. Where this login information gets stored, this information is stored into these sessions. So, how to store the session data in Angular, we are going to discuss that stuff in this episode. And after that, we are going to create one admin form, and using that, we will store the course details into the Firebase database. How to achieve that will be the main agenda of this episode. So let's begin with the first topic, which is sessions, and then we will go to how to store the data into the Firestore and Firebase, right? So let's start the practical session. Whenever we log in here, after selecting the account here, like for example this web app has redirected us to this screen dashboard, and that all stuff is written inside this auth service, right? We have